file, tutorials. Now let's load the grids. To load the grid, just come here, right click on grids, add grid, add grid. Grid is Now you choose the grid that you want to save, which is longitude, and now you give this grid a name and save it here. Let's give it a name. Let's give it exported the data. This is for the overall data. If you want to see the whole data, you click here, you click on list. You can see that we have the data lines here. There are many data lines here. Click on the last one is click on this. You see that you have different data. You can see that this is more larger and first one. So now here this X and Y are in longitude and latitude. Now you want to project this coordinate to UTM zone 32. So you go to coordinates, new projected coordinate system. Click on it. Now current coordinate system is X and Y. Click next. Now these coordinates that you have here, they are in Geographic, Longitude and Latitude, which is this one that you have here. Click on OK. Now this new coordinate that you want, which coordinate do you want to name? Let's first give it a name east. And the other one, let's give it north. Click on next. Now this is a node. Which coordinate do you want? want it to take, we said we want it to take projected. Click on projected. Now we click here, the projection method. We want UTM. So we go to UTM. The working code is 32. Once you click OK, you see that the coordinates, the projected coordinates are here, east and north. Now you want to assign x and y values, or x and y, to this east and north. To do that, you go back to your coordinates, click on the coordinate system. Now this coordinate system, new coordinate system, you want this x to take east, and you want this y to take north. So you click on coordinate system. This is projected east and y. Just okay, you can see that now this east has x on it, and this north has y on it. Now we can create this data. To do that, you go to start grading. You see it has finished grading. So this is your new grid, and if you look at it here, you can see that this coordinate has changed to UTM zone 32, and these are the projected coordinates. Now you can work on your data using this. You start by filtering the original first. Residual map, where you can do your analysis depending on what you want to do. Enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel, also hit the notification bell in case we post a new video. You'll be able to see it, we'll give you a notification, and also like this video. If you like it, just give it thumbs up, and if you have any question, you can just